Are you dreaming about buying a brand new car? Introducing AA Smart Lease, the new way to make driving hassle-free and affordable. With a fully insured car, maintenance and servicing included, and plenty of flexible benefits, all for one monthly payment. So how does Smart Lease work? First, you choose from a selection of brand new vehicles, with great deals from leading brands, including petrol, diesel, hybrid and electric models. Then decide how long you want to keep your car for by choosing a lease term between 24 to 48 months. Next, work out how far you'll drive by selecting your annual mileage limit. Choose from 5,000 all the way up to 15,000 miles. Once you submit your inquiry on the Smart Lease website, we'll give you a call to talk things through, usually within an hour during working hours. Once you're approved, we'll order your car, which is usually delivered in 2 to 4 weeks. So what makes Smart Lease different? Smart Lease is flexible, allowing you to make important changes whenever you need. You can change your term and mileage at any time. And because flexibility is more important than ever, 6 months after your lease starting, you can terminate your lease early if unexpected life events like redundancy or critical illness occur, with no penalty fees to pay. The price you see on the website is the price you get, and we take care of all of the admin. Because with Smart Lease, you get a fully insured car, repairs, servicing, and if needed, accident management included in your monthly price. Smart Lease allows you to forget all the hassle and just focus on the freedom of driving. Your choice of car, your choice of contract, your choice to change it if you need to. Everything is wrapped up in a single monthly payment. So, why buy when you can Smart Lease?